Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to make posts on LinkedIn using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for linkedin.com. Okay. So now once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. Now click here at the upper part of your screen to post anything on LinkedIn. Okay, so here you can just go ahead and type any text that you want. And when you click here, you can add photos, videos, event. And when you click on the three dots or the more option, you can go ahead and create celebrate, add a job, create poll, add a document, and the services. Okay. And here at the upper part of it, you can see the emoji keyboard. So when you click on that, you can see all of the emoticons that is available on LinkedIn. Okay. And now here at the left side of the post button, you can see a clock icon, right? So when you click on that, you can schedule your posts. Okay. So just go ahead and choose the date that you want to post your post and the time. Okay. And just go ahead and click on next. And then once you've done your post, just go ahead. For example, this one, just go ahead and click on schedule. And here, when you click on it, the post that you've created will be posted when it is 12 a.m. Okay. So that is how you make a post on LinkedIn. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.